Hey guys, welcome back to Moonlight Hill Farm. It's time to go do the feeding, ain't it, bub? Come on, Nova. Good morning. Oh, sorry, Waylon. Beautiful morning. Good morning, mean girls. How are you guys this morning? Where's Jazzy? Good morning. Y'all are awful quiet this morning. Usually they're all hollering and stuff. They're awful quiet this morning. Hello everybody. But anyways, I have a surprise. We got 5 new animals, and now our black chickens, what's their names again? The escapees, they had to stay in this cage now because the animals we got will kill them. I don't know for sure if they will, but I can't wait to show you guys. So wait till the end of the video and you'll get to see them. William, I can't see you that way. There you go. Say cheese.
Cheese. Cheese. Yeah.
You're silly. It's a beautiful morning out tonight, this evening or morning. I can't talk today, guys. Goodness. Oh, there's my Jazzy. My Jasmine. I guess I'm going to go show you all our new animals. My son just said there's only one around here, so I don't know. They might have ran off on us. They did. Oh, well. Oh, he don't know what he's talking about. There they are. I don't know where the other 3 kittens are, but I know they're probably close to their mama. But here they are. Hey, babies. Got to give them names. There's one of the babies. Hi, babies. And our Halloween decorations are almost done. Not just yet. I'll show you all that here soon. Oh, there's one of them that I named Sunflower. Hang on.
Hi, Cat.
They're so cute. Yeah, I think one of the cats knocked it over. Nova, leave the cat alone. The cat keeps attacking my dog. Hi, Sunflower. Hi, baby. Hi, Sunflower. Hey, my baby. They're so pretty. Yes, sure is. And you're so jealous. Yes, you are. Nova, it's okay. Hey. Calm down. Anyways, I'm gonna put these up today. Excited about that. I got these at Menards. Put those up today. They're gonna string all the way around these foes until I get my roof on, then I'll move them up higher. And there's the boys down there. You see the fog way far away down there. That's where our pond is. And we have another one down here, which I haven't even showed you guys yet.
Where's sunflower?
Sunflower's right there in the chair.
Hello.
They love the kitties.
What are you doing?
There's my boys. What you guys doing, huh? What you guys doing? But anyways, that's what we got. We got 5 kittens, so I've named 2 of them. I just haven't named the other 3. Oh, it's okay.
Hey.
The sunflower.
I don't think you can. She'll claw you and you'll throw her down.
Her gonna claw you. She can hold. He can hold her. It's just you're gonna have to sit down. Yeah, there's some underneath there. You see him? That's a cat right there too. A skeleton kitty. And a wolf. And a goat ram. We got a frog. I got some snakes somewhere. I gotta find them. Here's our wiener doggy. I think this is I don't remember what he is. I think it's another dog or something. Yeah, and then we're hanging this up today. Haven't even used it yet. Had it for a couple years. I haven't even used it. I think we're gonna hang it out over here in our pine tree somewhere. And we got some spider webs here to hang up. And then this is gonna light up also, which I'll show you all that later on this evening. The fog over the pond looks so pretty. Wow, you can see our pond from here. Wait until we get that all cut off and that junk out there. And then them weeds, there's junk. After we get that all cleaned out, you'll see all the way to the pond. It'll be so beautiful. So excited about that. So
Mama heard Mama.
yeah.
Ow.
What's wrong? Did it scratch you?
Yeah.
I told you they scratch you.
Cat.
Ah, cats.
Cat hit me.
We're gonna do the water.
Alright, go do the watering. Where's it at? And this one has one too, but I don't know where it's at. Let's see here.
Welcome to my haunted
Hey, Mama, you taking care of those babies? Nova? She gonna pounce on you, boy. You wouldn't even know it. You wouldn't even have known it. She's so silly. I don't know what to do with myself. I want food. Are you stuck? There you go. No. What are you stuck on? Bobby, you got, no, hang on. You got a string, I think, tied around your tire. Oh no.
No.
Go. Go. I don't know what's wrong with it. There you go. Do a donut. We're going to do a donut. Burn out, I mean. Yeah. He's so silly. My son's a little show off. If there's anything else y'all want to have me talk about or video, just let me know in the comments below. I got other stuff coming out here soon. Those are beautiful. Wow. Those birds are still going crazy. I'm getting ready to pull these tomato plants out. See if there's any more pumpkins growing. Oh yeah, they are. Yep, they're still growing. Growing like crazy. Look at them, already to my rose bush over here. Pretty. And all these tomatoes. Hey baby girl. Hey baby girl, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Whoa! I almost want the bucket. Go suck on Mama's thumb. Mama loves her so much. Cesar does. Oh my goodness.
Okay, you win.
Okay, boys.
Eat like the big girls.
Hey, like the big girls.
Right?
I know, I told him it's foggy down by the pond. Coming up this way now.
I fight?
No, you're fighting.
I fight.
That's doing okay.
Yep. I'm gonna feed them when we go in. I'll go out the back door. Yeah. Hi y'all, welcome back to Moonlight Hill Farm. Today we're going to be making Hillbillies Cobbler. My name is Tiffany and let's get started. So what it takes is yellow cake mix, cinnamon ground seasoning, whatever, ground cinnamon, and a stick of butter, and peaches. It could be canned peaches, homemade peaches, whatever you have will work. The temperature, you just want to get what's on the back of the box here. So this is 350. I got it preheated 350, and it's going to be for 35 minutes. You add the peaches, and this stuff's really good, I'm telling you, and it's easy to make, quick. You can even make this in the microwave. Put a little bit of cinnamon on top of there. Then you add this right on top here, the yellow cake mix. Make sure you get it evenly all over. Alright, then you take your stick of butter. You want to chop it up in little bitty pieces. Well, I should have used a knife. And just lay it right on top. My hands are washed. It's our cobbler, so it doesn't matter. Alrighty. Then you can just spring if you want more on top, which you usually put it on top, but I put in the peaches also. Sprinkle a little bit more, don't matter how much, if you like a lot, and then put a lot. And that's all you do. It's very simple to make, and that's our Hillbillies cobbler. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.
Here are we. You doing a dance for him?
He's silly.
Welcome to Moonlight Farm.
Alrighty, let's see what this looks like. Watch out.
Hold on,
Yeah.
baby. She's getting it out of the oven. Look, let's see the picture. Yeah, look at that.
That looks so yummy. And that's what it should look like, guys.
After
The kids are excited, as you can tell. It's gonna have a little bit of crumbs in it too, like from the cake, yellow cake mix. It's really good.
Yes, it's really good. And that's the Hillbillies peach cobbler. After 35 minutes, you gotta let it cool and ready to eat. Hope y'all enjoyed that.
Until next time, happy farming.